How to apply multiple filters on the same Snapchat photo. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can apply multiple filters to the same Snapchat photo. Snapchat is one of the most popular apps, especially among the younger population. Snapchat has become very popular because of the filters it offers to its users. However, as the network itself progressed, so did the application of filters. Now you can apply multiple filters to the same snap. How? Open Snapchat. Tap the button to take a photo. When you have taken a photo, swipe to the left to apply a filter. After that, in the menu on the right, find the option for layers. It is usually at the bottom of the list. Tap on it, and now select a new filter by swiping again. You can repeat the same procedure for a third time. When you have selected the filters you want, simply tap the Send to button in the lower right corner and send your snap to friends or post your story. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Snapchat tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.